Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google app not working properly. So to start, go to settings, then scroll down and go to general. Then from here, go to iPhone storage and scroll down and look for Google app. Open it, then tap on offload app and tap offload app again to confirm the action. Then it will show you reinstall app. Tap on that. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So just wait for it to finish reinstalling. Now once done, close settings and open Google app again and see if that solves the problem. Now another thing you can do is to clear search history. So click your profile at the top right, then scroll down and here under search history, you can choose to delete last 15 minutes. So click on that. Now try again and see if that works. Next method is to clear cache. So click your profile at the top right, then go to settings, then go to privacy and safety. Then at the top, click on clear app history and clear cookies. So click clear all and tap clear cookies and click clear all. Now go back to the main page and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.